Hi. Sit down. Make yourself comfortable. I got a plate for you. I got a plate for you guys, okay? You guys are not going to believe this. Chicken carbonara. Yes. We haven't had chicken carbonara in a minute, y'all. So it was time. Onions. Bacon. Mushrooms. You guys aren't going to believe this. I got a roommate. She has Chinese furniture too. And believes in metaphysics too. And magic. And all the other good stuff. And I'm talking her into starting her own channel. I'm not going to tell you what it's about, but I'll tell you this. There isn't a channel about how she's going to do her channel at all. And if there is, I haven't seen it in all my years of being on here since 2005. You're not supposed to have no onions, princess. It's a little dry. I don't normally have to ask for sauce, extra sauce, but that's okay. It's still good. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Wait till you meet her. You're going to love her. So, it was an exciting day. I hope you guys had an exciting day. And, wow. Yeah, things are changing. Things are changing. Barbecue. It was a great day. Hope you had a great day. And if you didn't, oh well, you're watching this, so I made it better, right? Love my onions. Stephanie Sue. Do you guys watch Stephanie Sue? SOO? It's so cute. I jump around a lot, so. Especially tonight, because my brain is all over the place right now. But the onions reminded me of Stephanie Sue. Because her honey always takes his onions off and puts them on her food. They're so cute. Well, we've never seen him. But he started his own business, so we might be able to see him pretty soon. Go figure. But I can understand. I mean, she ranks way up there with Kimmy. Keemi. I've been watching Kimmy forever. Forever and ever. This is pretty good. Look at that. Chicken. Y'all know I never get tired of no damn chicken, okay? Just saying. For the new ones who don't know, I could literally eat chicken every single day. Every day. Oh, so good. And Robert, where are you, Robert? Robert, every time I get a soda, I always think of you. Robert was one of my very first watchers. And somewhere around the 80th video, he fell off. Probably because I didn't burp enough for him. But just like Prissy P says, for him, we can't do everything for everybody all the time. Especially since I really wasn't comfortable burping. Because you know I still got my mother's voice, and that's not ladylike. Don't do that. We were born in a barn. Stop smacking. mm. Oh my God, it's so good. Excuse me. Yes, I literally had to practice that. And my sister, burp more, smack louder. No. I can't do it. I just can't. So then every single video, from my very first video to probably, like I said, around the 80th, could you just do a video with only burping? And then some other guy, could you just do a video only farting? I draw the line at farting. And other than Chinese fried chicken, Domino's chicken wings. Even more, well, no, the Wingstop ones, those are good. The Parmesan cheese and something, whatever those are. I really like the Parmesan, whatever those wings were. Those are really good. It was a whirlwind of a day, you guys. And no, I haven't forgotten about the dang contest. I'm going to keep my word. Jiminy Crickets. In any case, I know you haven't subscribed yet. And if you're not a subscriber, you're not going to win. I'm just keeping it real. Y'all know that. So, I'll make a separate video about that tomorrow. Well, I'll probably load this video tomorrow, which should be Friday. The 3rd, I think. Sorry, princess, you don't get none of this. Not my favorite. I had food is food. And I can't be picky. Not right now. If I could be picky, I'd order something besides Domino's. I love my chicken wings. Chicken. And I don't really care what it is. My favorite, though, is the drumstick, of course, but I love it when they leave the little crunchy bits in the sauce. If I can pick it up. You guys, which would you rather win, a crystal or a pendant? Don't forget to put in the comments. was a really nice day. I redid my altar today, which you'll see on the vlog channel. I know you haven't subscribed over there. Get your booty over there and subscribe. Until 25 more of you subscribe, and then I'll be able to go live. I didn't check my numbers today, though, but I'm trying not to get too paranoid about it. It's a job, and I'll get there eventually. But at least it's a job that I love, because, you know, it doesn't matter if you're this, you're that. We need food to sustain our body. We all gotta eat. Okay, we don't have to eat, because I do know one guy. He eats meat once a month. And even then, it's like one piece of bread and a cup of milk. Indian. Super duper duper powerful. Awesome. Beautiful. I remember way back in, what was that? 1980 something. He started staring into the sun then. And then it became popular in the 90s to just stare at the sun. I eventually got there. It took a while, of course, like a year. It was different. Anyway. Yeah, you already know I ramble, so just love me through it. I love gristle, but I don't want to take a chance on breaking a tooth. That would really upset my flow of chicken eating. Yes, it would. I'm trying to remember who else I was watching this week. Because now, normally if I'm not with you guys right now, I would be with Stephanie Sue listening to her tell a story about, some court case. And she does it well. I don't know how she does it, but I got to give her kudos. Of course, she's only 23. She should be able to do it. Who killed this person and why? It's interesting to listen to while you eat dinner. You know? I'm so excited. So as you can see, the clay table, which now has soldering stuff on it. I've been practicing. I'm getting better. I'm going to incorporate soldering into my wire weave jewelry. So exciting learning new stuff. And last but not least, to fill up that last little 5 centimeters of space in my stomach, so pretty. The lights in the parking lot look like stars. Don't forget to write down if you'd rather have crystal or you'd rather have a pendant or something. And if you know the crystal you want, go ahead and put that. If I have it and you win, I'll be happy to send it to you. I really, really would. Why not? If you guys have ever seen my crystal table, which you would see on Tasha Loves You channel, if you ever get your behind over there, it's huge. I've been collecting crystals since I was, 13? Okay, 18. And I just turned 58, so you do the math. Sorry, somebody just went live, sorry. Love my chicken, honey. Yes, I do. I got any little bits left? No. Okay, I'm done. Life is just getting more and more and more and more exciting, you know? It really is. It really is. And I know to a lot of you say, oh, but you're old. No, I just started living, really. You just start living when you really don't give a shit about nobody and their fucked up attitude and all that good stuff. Keeping up with the Joneses and all that mess. What makes a good life? You pay your bills, you do good for somebody else, and that's it. Have fun for yourself. That's it. Life is good. Learn and grow, learn and grow. Right? Oh, feels so good. Excuse me. Okay, you guys, well, your 17-minute attention span is almost up. I love you guys. Don't forget to be good to you first, okay? Okay, I love you guys. Bye, 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 bye. Mwah.